Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hello all you beautiful people. If you are new here, hello, I am Deborah, the Ordinary Gal. Nice to see you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I know you have a lot of choices and I really appreciate it. If you are new, like I said, do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on a new video. This is the June BoxyCharm. So if you are willing and wanting to see what I think about this month's box, then go ahead and keep on watching. Guys, here it is. It's quite hefty. It's quite hefty and it kind of worries me because I think there's a hair product in here. There's no sticker indicating, I guess, there's an aerosol in here, which is good. So yeah, that's good. Should have thought about that before, but anyways, it's a little bit bigger than it usually has been. If you guys don't know, this is a $21 a month subscription. You get it every single month. You can cancel whenever you want. And then they do also have a BoxyCharm, I was gonna say Plus, but that's Ipsy before I use it. But that is kind of weird. I wanted to point that out. So yes, I'm opening it. Here we go. That is what we got right here. That is what it looks like. They give you a little card in here. I'm gonna ignore everything I'm saying. They give you a little card and it's called a BoxyCharm Getaway. Very fitting for summer, you know, that's very nice. I'm not gonna look at the card yet. I will give you guys a little peek. If you guys are wanting to, you can pause that really quick and check that out. I'm gonna pull out the first thing I see in here and it is this guy right here. I'm filming a new way, so I hope this works out. Fingers crossed. I don't know why I keep singing. It's just one of those days. It's really hot. I think the weather's boiling my brain. Okay, Touch in Sol. This is from Touch in Sol. It says No Pore Prime Essence. It says it has calendula officinalis flower extract. You get 1.01 fluid ounces or 30 mils. It's a pretty box. I like the box. Some of it looks like there's little slick bubbles on it, and then the rest is matte. It's very pretty. Ooh, look at this. Very intriguing. A prime essence. Okay, when I think of essence, I think of like it's very liquidy. So that's interesting. It's already spewing out. So let me put that on my skin here. So it's kind of like a gel, but a more watery consistency. So if you can see that rolling down. Excuse my hands too, they're so freaking dry. It smells kind of like baby lotion. Yeah, it kind of smells like baby lotion or like Pond's or something. It smells really good. Very, very faint smell. It feels really nice. There it goes. It's on my skin. This is my little dry hand right here. This is the skin with the primer on it. It looks pretty nice. It feels very nice and hydrated. It seemed to absorb very quickly. It's a little bit tacky, which can be good before makeup. So that is interesting. Cool. I will do on my try on video. So make sure you hit that subscribe and all that kind of stuff so you can get notified when I do that if you are into those. So here's the next product that I'm pulling out right here. It is by Dominique Cosmetics. This is really pretty packaging. Look at this packaging. Here we go. Oh my God, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness. As you guys may or may not know, I am obsessed with freaking lip glosses. I am obsessed with lip glosses. I have a million lip glosses. I have 3 drawers full, not to mention a whole entire huge drawer in my closet. It doesn't have anything on it except for it says Lemonade and it says DC right there in gold. Really, really slick. It looks maybe a little bit more juvenile than slick and like, you know what I mean? But I do like it. I do like the packaging though. I do like it. It's very fun, very girly, very playful. You can smell it. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like cake batter, like a typical lip gloss nowadays smells. So here we go. I'll do a little swatch right here. Oh, that color. Holy balls. That is a pretty freaking color. That is gorgeous. I have a feeling that's gonna look beautiful on all kinds of skin tones. It feels super duper creamy. I have kind of like a lip stain. I'll use it really quick. I don't have a mirror right now. It is. I didn't even tell you guys what color this was. This was peach tea. So really, really cute. I love that. I'm so happy with this box so far. This is by Skin & Co. It says Truffle Therapy. Whipped polishing cleansing cream with truffle extracts. Whip cleansing cream made in Italy. You get 100 mils, 3.38 ounces. Let me open it. It's got a little perforated plastic covering here. So I'm guessing it won't. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. I'm just gonna put a little bit right there. It's a very creamy cleanser. It looks like a lotion, and these are my favorite. I use the Paula's Choice Cream Softening Cleanser, and it is my absolute favorite for my like more mature skin. I'm in my mid-30s, so my more mature skin, I have dry skin right here. It's a little oily right here, but mostly it's very dry, especially around here. So I love a cream cleanser, and I've never heard of that company. I don't know what they're all about, but sounds pretty good. And it looks like it's right up my alley. Yes. Pencil right here. I don't know. Oh, Dirty Little Secrets, it says. It's called Rosy Posy. I'm not going to open this and swatch it because I'm going to be doing a giveaway probably coming up right after this video. I'll be doing a giveaway, so make sure you're subscribed. I know you guys are I'm going to annoy you guys with that subscribe thing all the time, but make sure you're subscribed so you can enter into that giveaway. I'm going to be doing three, maybe 4 people, depending on how many things I can get together, how many little boxes. It's not going to be anything like spectacular. This is my first giveaway. I'm a small, tiny little channel. So what I can give, I will give little boxes away to you guys. So make sure you're subscribed. But the color looks really beautiful. I have like 3 lip liners that are bought this color because I just love this color. It looks like my lips, but better. So I'm not going to open that. I will save that. But that is really cool. You get a full, big, huge pencil in there, and it looks like a really pretty universal color, and it's called Rosy Posy by Dirty Little Secrets. Ooh, last thing here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I am excited about this. This is what was making it heavy. This and the lotion. Like, yes, please. This is awesome. It is the Tarteus Pro Glow 3 Cheek Palette Stream. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Look at this. Yes. Okay, let's open her up. La, the paper's gonna fall out. There we go. Look at that. Oh my lordy. This is amazing that we got this in here. It is very substantial. It is by Tarte. It's a good brand. You know, it's a good brand. This is awesome. It looks like it has bronzer, contour, so a couple of different choices of highlighters and blushes. This would be amazing. If this comes out really nicely, this would be amazing to travel with because I don't have anything like this to travel with. And that would just be so great. So great. You can bend these all the way back, which is so amazing. Or you can keep one open. And these magnetize in the back, which I think is super cool. That is really cute, you guys. Oh my God, I can't believe they gave this to us. This is so great. This makes up for the last couple boxes because I don't know about you, but they were. There's one. There's another. You can definitely use these as a nice all over lid color too. I hope this video works out because that's a pretty one. Let me clean my hand. Ooh, that's really soft. They're all pretty soft, but that one was like really soft. So there are all the colors right there. I think they are all super pretty. Very nice. My swatches suck, to be honest, but this is amazing. I am super duper happy about this. This box was so freaking good, and honestly, I was going to cancel my BoxyCharm because I just didn't feel like it was worth it. I just hadn't been feeling like it was worth it. I think this all kind of made up for it. I was really hoping for a really good summer box to kick off the summer, and I think I got it because these products are all something I would absolutely use. I think this is a great box. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that, but you get it, you get it. So it looks like the Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette right here, version 3, I guess, is meet your new everyday staple. This 6-shade Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette V3 formulated with Amazonian clay delivers streak and fade-free flawless wear. Tap into the blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for a sculpting dimensional look. This is $45 retail. Awesome. The Touch and Soul right here. The Touch and Soul, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer Essence. Infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract, this primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky, silky smooth. This is $23. The next thing right here is the Lemonada lip gloss. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with this lightweight, non-sticky balm-like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. $17. I feel like I would not pay 17. I'd probably pay like $14, $15 for that. Just what I'm thinking for that package, like just for the kind of style it is. I don't know. Skin and Co Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. Banish dull skin with Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. This luxurious cream formula gently and effectively removes all makeup and impurities while hydrating dry and sensitive skin. Formulated with pure black truffle extracts and sweet almond oil, this gentle cleanser delivers intense hydration while improving skin's resilience and tone. This cleanser is formulated with the essential fatty acids to help maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier. $25. That better be some good face wash. Because I think on sale, and I have mine like every 6 months it comes, and I think it's about like 6 ounces. That one is $18 I pay for that one. And you get a big bottle. The last but not least thing is this guy right here. It is Dirty Little Secrets lip liner. Smooth and creamy, this Dirty Little Secret lip liner is here to help you create the perfect pout. $15. Woo! That's a bit much right there. That is a bit much. I don't know who's paying that for that, okay? Anyways, I will put somewhere here, if you didn't figure it out already, what the total price is. And that wraps up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Let me know what you guys got in your box, if it's different than mine. Oh, I know what version. 11. I just learned that. I just learned that by a YouTuber, one of the YouTubers that I watch. It's so hilarious. But, yeah, version 11, let me know what you guys got, if you are into this month's box or not. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, do not forget to hit a like, leave a comment down below, and make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss the upcoming video that I'm going to be posting for a giveaway, my first giveaway. I have 250 subscribers now, so I've been dying to do this for you guys. So, yes, I will see you guys next time. I am Deborah the Earner Gal. Peace out. See you later.